Okay, guys, this question asks you to calculate essentially the difference between the energy of a UVB and a UVA photon. It starts off by saying that UVA penetrates more deeply into the skin, but UVB actually causes sunburns more readily. It says that UVB photons have a frequency of about 1.0 times 10 to the 15th hertz. How much more energy do UVB photons carry over UVA? And so you do need an answer from a previous question. So you do need the energy of a UVA photon. And we did calculate that to be 5.5 times 10 to the negative 19th. Now, in order to calculate the energy of a UVB photon given the frequency, again, this is a formulaic problem, and we have a formula for energy in terms of frequency. E equals h nu. So putting it together, I've got 6.626 times 10 to the negative 34 joules times seconds times the frequency 1.0 times 10 to the 15th hertz. And remember that a hertz is 1/2. So the energy of a UVB photon is calculated to be 6.6 times 10 to the negative 19 joules per photon. And so if I want to figure out the difference in energy, or in other words, how much more, I need to subtract the energy of a UVB photon, I need to subtract the energy of a UVA photon from the energy of the UVB. So E UVB minus E UVA. And so I take 6.6 times 10 to the negative 19th joules, that's what I just calculated, minus the 5.5 times 10 to the negative 19th joules that I calculated in a previous problem, and do the subtraction. I get 1.1 times 10 to the negative 19th joules. And that's my final answer there. Okay, thanks.